So here 2022 maths solutions we are doing, right? So here what is the question here? Cost of 6 cans of juice is 210. So 6 cans is how much? 210 rupees. Now cost of 4 cans is how much? 4 will be how much? Question mark. Okay. So if you do it now, what will be the answer? Cross multiplication, right? So 4 into 210 and divide by 6. That is 6 will come down. So how much will be the answer? That is 210 into 4 divided by 6. Right? Yes? So if you cancel 6, how many is? 21 is there. 6 2s are, so that is 6 3s are 18. 3 will be remaining. It will become, next if you carry 30. So 6 5s are 30. So 35 4s are how much? Yes? That is answer will be 35 2s are 70. 70 2s are is 140. So 140 is the answer. So 35 4s are, if you do, you will get 140 answer, option B. Understood? Yes? Very easy na? Okay, this is how you have to do. Okay na? Yes. So if you see students here, that is second 152, right? We have to write and simplify this. So 1 is 1, 1 by 10 means 0.1, 1 by 100 means 2 zeros means 2 decimal places will come here, 3 zeros means 3 decimal places. If you add 1.1111 will come, option B. Okay na? Very easy, right? Now 153 answer is how much? That is 98 means this will be the answer, option C. So that is 90 and this is 8, so 98. Okay, I am doing directly now. So which shape never has a parallel line sides? Which will have never have? Triangle, because triangle will look like this, right? Rectangle means like this. These may be parallel, these are parallel, right? That is why rhombus is like this, right? These will be parallel, that is all sides will be equal and opposite sides will be what? So triangle will not have parallel. Octagon means 8 sides. Yes, 8 sides may have parallel lines. Okay, so that is why never will have what? That is triangle will not have, because only 3 sides, right? So that is the answer. Now 155 now. So what is it? That is 60 degree.
30 degree.
Ha.
30 degree.
So 60 degree is there. What is the complementary angle of 60 degree? Complementary means we know 90 degree should be the sum. So how much we should add to get 90 degree with 60? 30 degree we have to add. So that is answer is option C. Okay na? Next fifth, 5 is to 4 is equal to which percent? So 5 is to 4 means 5 by 4, right? So into 100%. To find the percentage we have to multiply with 100%. So now cancellation. 4 how many is 100? Yes? 4 25 is 100. 4 25 is how much? 100. Okay, so what is remaining now? 5 and 25. So 5 25 is how much? 125. Option is option D. Okay na? Very good. That is easy.
Sir, Sir, what is rhombus, sir?
Rhombus is this figure I draw, right? This is rhombus. Okay, in rhombus all the sides will be same, but angle will not be 90 degree. That is why it is not square. Okay, so rhombus it can be 90 also, it cannot be. So that is the answer. Rhombus all the sides will be same. It look like diamond.
It's acute.
Yes, that is, it can be acute, it can be, okay, because that is what will happen is it can be 90 also. Okay, so that is depends, it cannot be 90 also. Okay now, so next let us go next now. So what is the answer? Sum of smallest even and smallest odd. Smallest even number, even is smallest is what? That is 2. Smallest odd is what? 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is what? A prime number, option C. Okay na? Yes. Now next, HCF of 24 and 36. It will come in which table? Yes. If you want to do, you can do it 6 table also. 3 table also. I will do 6 table. 6 4s are 6 6 are 36. Now 4 and 6 will come in 2 table. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. So now 2 3 will not come in same table. So 6 2s is how much? 12 answer. Or directly 12 we can do. Okay na? Okay. Next, subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So how do we do that? That is minus 10 minus of minus 4. This is how you have to write it. So now minus 10 is there. Minus into minus. Minus into minus will be what? Plus 4 it will become. So here we know what will be the answer? Minus 6, because minus into plus minus. So 10 minus 4 is 6. But bigger sign, bigger number is 10. So bigger sign we have to take. So minus 6 is the answer, option B. Okay now? Understand? Next, 0.045 expressed in percentage. We know 0.045, to mark the percentage we multiply with 100%. So for these two zeros, what will happen? This point will shift. These two zeros, this point will shift 1 time, 2 time. So what will be the answer here? Yes, it will be 4.5. So 4.5, the point will come after 4. So it will become 4.5 answer. Okay, for 2 zeros. Understand this? Okay, good. So students, see here, that is 161. So find the sum of the numbers less than 27 which are divisible by 9. Means 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. They are less than. 9 threes are 27. 27 will be more. That is equal to. So not possible. So we have to take 9 and 18. 9 and 18 means how much it is? 9 plus 18 is 27. That is we have to find sum, right? So 27 is answer, option C. Okay now? We have to find the sum. Less than 27. That is 9 table. 9 and 18 will come. If you add them, 27. Okay? Next question. In the school there are 1200 students. 40% are girls. Find the boys. Girls are 40, means remaining will be boys. From 100, if you minus 40, remaining will be 60. So boys are 60%. So you have to find 60% of how much? 1200. 60% of how much? You have to find 1200. 60%, how do you find? 60 by 100 into 1200. 2 zeros cancel from this. Then it will be 60 and 12 will be remaining. 12 6 how much? 72. So 10 10. So 720. Answer is option C. Understood? Now find the value of 0.001 divided by 0.01. So here we first shift the point from the denominator. There are 2 decimal places. If you shift 2 decimal places, here also you shift 2 decimal places in the numerator. So it will be, here 3 are there, so 1 will be remaining. So 0.1 divided by 1. Divided by 1 means same answer. 0.1 will be the answer, option D. Okay now? Here this one. So in the multiplication we know we have to add the points. Here 1 point is there. Here 2 points are there. So total 3 points will be the answer. 0.001, because 1 ones are 1 is only. So 0.001. 3 decimal places here. Minus is there, minus you write it. Here 2 decimal places are there. Here 3 decimal places. Total 5. So 1 ones are 1 answer only. So 5 means 0.0001. That is 4 zeros will come 1. So now you have to minus it. That is bigger one is this 0.001 divided by minus 0.4 zeros will come here, right? That is, if I want to write how much, 0.001 minus how much, 0.00001, that is 4 zeros and 1 then. So nothing means we know we have to take 0 here, 0 and 0. That is 100 minus 1 is how much? This looks like 100, right? Yes, it looks like 100. 100 minus 1 is how much? That is
99.
99.
99.
So it will be 99, and then everything will be 0. So 0. So it will be, this will be the answer. That is 3 zeros and 99. That is 99. Which option? Yes?
Option
A. Option A is the answer. Option A. Okay now? That is looks like 100. 100 minus 1, 99. So 99 will be the answer. That is option A. Okay now? You can consider like that. Next, 165. Place value of 7. This is 8,74,000. So 70,000. 70,000 means option is option D. Place value of 7. Okay now? Yes? Okay. Any doubt here? Let me know. Yes?
No, sir.
No?
The
Okay.
next one is option C.
Yes, 55 rupees. 55 rupees in paise. So 1 rupee means 100 paise. So we have to multiply 100. 55 into 100 is how much?
55 into 100.
So 5500. 55 into 100 is 5500. Okay now? Yes. Next, if the divisor is 51, quotient is 16, remainder is 27, dividend how do you find? That is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes, divisor is how much? That is 51 into quotient is 16 plus remainder is 27. If you multiply and find the answer, you will get, that is 5. 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 7 13. 13 means it will be 51 16s are. You do it, multiplication. What is the answer here? Yes, Samruddhi, what is the answer?
800.
Huh? 500,
800.
300, 300, 300, that will be 843 only. Okay, answer. Okay. So next question, that is this,
Sir,
right?
did you call my name?
I asked you the answer. What is the answer for this? 843, right?
Yes, sir. Mine is correct.
Again, listen here. So here is given number is what? That is 2 by 5% of 240 and 3 by 5% of 180. So 2 by 5% means we have to divide with 100, right? So 2 by 5 we have to multiply with 100 with 5. That is divided in the division, divided by 100, right? So 240. Now you cancel with 240 and 5. So 5, how many is? 5 4s are 20, 8 will be, that is 4 will be, it will become 40, 5 8s are 40. So 2 into 48. 2 into 48 is how much? 96. 96. So 2 zeros are there. So I have taken what? That is 2 zeros as decimal point. So 96 will become 0.96. 2 zeros for 0. Divided by 100 is there, this here, that one. Next plus is there. So you do second part now. 3 by 5 divide with 100 into 180. So 5 how many is 180? 5 36, I cancel it. So what is remaining? 3 into 36. 3 into 36 is how much? 108. 2 zeros means 2 decimal point, that is 1.08. Okay now? So now if you add, that is you will get 2.04. Option is option B. Okay now? Understood? Very easy. So now next question, right? That is 170. 3 by 4th of a whole day. 3 by 4th of one day means how much? So 3 by 4, one day they have given in hours,
Sir, no, sir.
right?
169. 169.
169, so 169. So what is sum of prime numbers less than 25? So what are the prime numbers less than 25? 2, first number prime number is 2. After that 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 2 3 5 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then how much? That is, and then 23. So if you add it all, you will get the answer. Okay now? You add it all. These are the prime numbers less than 25. Okay now? Maybe you add it, I don't know. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 plus 1 is, 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. Okay now? 8 plus 3 is how much? That is 11. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 9 is how much? 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 plus 3 100. Yes, 100 will be the answer. Okay now? Yes. You add them all. Now next 170. 3/4 of one day, whole day. One day means there is answers in hours. So you have to take in hours. What you have to take? You have to take in hours. One day means how many hours? 24 hours. Now cancel it out. So 4 how many is? 4 6 are 24. So 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is how much? Answer? 3 6 are 18. So 18 hours will be the answer, option C. Okay now? Very good. Now next 171. 75% of 1 hour. 75% of 1 hour means 75% means 75 divided by 100. 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Now you cancel it out, you will get the answer, right? That is 1 0 cancel. 1 0 means point you have to give. So if you give point here, it will be 7.5. Okay now? So 7.5 into 6. 7.5 into 6 means how much answer?
Option A is 45.
Yes.
Option A is 45.
So that is 7 6 are 42. Half of 6 is 42 plus 3, 45. You multiply it, you will get the answer, option A. Okay now? Very good. Easy, right? Okay, now should we do next?
Yes, sir.
Let's see here. So here students, next 172, right? So 172 if you see, it is actually easy. How do we do? Okay. See here, divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3 means we have to add all the numbers and check it. So 8, 0 means 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 is not come, not possible. Here 6 will come in the table, 9 will come, 8 will come. See here. So shortcut, how do we do? That is 6 will come in 3 table, 9 will come, 6 will come, 8 will not come. So not possible. Here add it. So 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. 12 will come. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 will come. So that is why answer is option C. So 12 plus 15 is 27. 27 will come in the table. Okay now? So that is add the number digits. So 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8. Okay? Good. Now 173. What is 173? They have given perimeter of square. We have to find the area. Perimeter is how much? 28. So how do we find perimeter of square? 4 into side. How do we do? 4 into side, 4 times. Side will be same. That is why 4 times side. So 4 point side is 28. So that is 4. How many is 28? 4 sevens are 28. So 7 will be the side. Right? 7 will be the side. So how do we find the area? Area is side into side. That is length into breadth. So 7 sevens are how much? 49. Area is how much? 49. Which is the smallest fraction here? So 4 by 5, 10 by 50. Yes. 10 by 50 means, yes, 1 by 5. Okay. Yes, 1 by 5 is smallest. Okay na? 3 by 5 and 2 by 3 is there. You multiply with 100, you will get the answer. 4 by 5 means 4 by 5 into 100. If you cancel it out, you multiply with 100, you will get answer. 4 by 5. Here 1 by 5. Here 3 by 5. Right? So 3 by 5 is there, right? So in that all, here it is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 here, and then here how much? That is 10 by 5 means 1 by 5, here 3 by 5. Now you check with 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means that is nearly around 66%. 66 will come. So that is why no. So smallest is B only, 1 by 5. Okay now you multiply with 100 if you are not able to do. That is 2 by 3 into 100. Okay. So that will come nearly around 66. Okay. 2 by 3 into 100. Next, LCM of 2, 6, 8 and 9. What will be the answer? That is, yes, 8 9s how much? Yes?
72 sir,
72 is the answer, option B. Okay, you know how to find the answer, you find it. That is 72 you will get. Okay. Which of the following is the right angle? Right angle means how much degree? 90 degree. Option is option C. Okay. Circumference of a circle is 44. Find the area. Okay. Next here students. Okay. So that is how much? 177. That is circumference. How do you find? Circumference is 44. 2 pi r. We find it as 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is how much? 44. So radius we have to find first. So how do we find radius? Pi means we know pi is 22 by 7. If you take that side, it will become reverse, reciprocal. So 44 into 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22, and 2 if you take, these 2 we have taken that side. 2 if you take means 1 by 2 it will be, right? 1 by 2, right? So if now you have to cancel it out. So 22 2s are 7 by 22, right? Yes? Actually 7 will be the answer.
7 by 22.
7 by 22. So radius is there, right? So I will write it. You will not be confused. So this is how much? Yes? 2 pi r is there, right? So 2 pi r means 2 into 22 by 7 into r is there, is equal to 44. 2 into 22 is how much? 44. So this 44 and this 44, if you take that side, it will cancel out. Now r will be how much remaining? 7. So radius is how much? 7 here. So they are asking to find the area. How do we find the area of circle? Yes, area we find by pi r square. pi r square.
Pi r square.
Pi means 22 by 7. R means r square means 2 times you have to multiply. 7 into 7. A radius is 7, right?
Sir,
7 into 7.
49.
So 7 cancel out. 1 7 cancel out. 22 into 7 will be remaining. 22 into 7 means how much it is? Yes?
Sir, 154.
154. Option will be option.
Sir, option D, sir.
Yes. So pi r square 7 and 7. Okay na? Yes. So that is 22 sevens are. This 1 7 cancels out. So it will be 1 7 will be remaining. Okay
Sir,
na?
what is the formula of area of a square?
Area of square is side into side. Side square. Okay. So 22 sevens are. Will be 154. Answer is option.
No, sir. Not square, circle.
Circle is pi r square. 154 will be the answer. Okay na?
Sir, can you explain from the area, sir? Sir, sir. Sir, one present and leaving, sir, to go game of academy.
Okay. So see here 177, right? So circumference we find by 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is 44 they have given. Circumference is 44. So 2 pi r means 2 pi means 22 by 7. Always remember pi means 22 by 7 you take it. So 22 by 7 if you do, that is radius. So if you want to find radius, separate it. You take this to other side, it will multiply the reciprocal. 44 into 7 into 1, 22 into 1 by 2. So 22 2s are 44. So 44 cancels out. Remaining is 7. 7 into 1. That is 7 into 1 is 7. Radius is 7. Now you want to find the radius, right? That is area, we have to find it. So area, how do we find? Pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. R square means 2 times we have to multiply. Radius we got 7. 7 into 7 is we have to do. So 1 7 cancels out. So remaining is 22 into 7. 22 7s are 154. Answer option D. Okay. So 178 is easy. That is difference between largest and smallest 5-digit number. Okay. You do it homework. Okay.
Sir, answer is option D.
Now 179. So what is here? A boy runs. What?
Yes, sir, understood.
A boy runs around a rectangular field of 40 meter and breadth 25 meter. How much distance will it cover if he takes 4 rounds? We know he is running means he will be running on the perimeter. He will be running on the perimeter. Yes. Perimeter, how do we find? Perimeter of rectangle is? Yes. 2 into 2 times length into breadth into height. Yes. So he is taking how many that is how many rounds? Total length is 4 rounds. So 4 rounds means 4 into perimeter. 4 into perimeter means perimeter, how do we find? Yes. 4 times of 2 times of length into breadth. That is perimeter we find by length plus breadth. How do we find perimeter? That is 4 rounds he is taking. You write 4 as it is. Perimeter we find by 2 times length plus breadth we find. So here 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Length plus breadth. Length plus breadth means 40 plus how much? 25. Length is 40. Breadth is 25. So 40 plus 25 is how much? Yes? 65. So 8 into 65 will be how much answer? Yes?
260. 260?
No. 8 5s are 40 here. Carry 4. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4? 52. So 520 answer. Four plus 25 is 65. Right? 4 plus 25 is 65. So 65 into 8.
65 into 4. No? Why did you take 8, sir?
Because 2 times length into breadth, right? That 4 rounds then. So 4 2s are directly multiplied with 4 2s are directly. Then you have to multiply it. It will become 8, right? So 520 will be the answer. They have 520 is option C, right? Okay. Next, even prime number is what? 2, right? Even prime number 180 question. Even prime number is 2. Now 181. Number 12 has got how many factors? For 12, how many factors are there? No, there are 6 factors for 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6 and 12. How many are there total? 6 factors. Okay, na? So now 182. X minus 15 is equal to minus 10. So x, if you want to find, you have to take 15 to the other side. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 15. So 15 minus 10 is how much? 5. That is from how much? 5 will be the answer. So 15 minus 10 is how much? That is 5. Okay, na? So 15 minus 10 is 5. Answer option is option B. Right? Understood?
B.
Okay, you can watch this video once again. Okay, in YouTube. Understand? Next.
Yes, sir.
Expressed as mixed fraction. So how do you write it in mixed fraction? Yes.
180, sir.
So 4 how many is? 4 4 is 16, right? So 4 4 is 16. 4 1 by 4 will be the answer, right? So remainder will be 4 4 is 16. 1 will be remainder. Okay, na? So you can do like that. Okay.
Sir.
Understood this?
Nothing, sir.
180 is easy. Now next, 184. What is the answer? 30% of 6 rupees is how much? Right? Find amount whose 30% is 6. Whose 30% is 6 rupees? Whose 30% will be 6? That is, if you do 30% means 30 by 100 you do. Right? Whose it will be? That will be, I think, nearly around, that is 20 rupees. 30 by 100 is there, right? So 10 10 cancel here, and from here 10, from 1 here 0. 2 3s how much? 6 rupees. So answer is option D. Okay, na? Yes. Next, that is 185, na? So here a man has a field measuring 60 acres. Out of these, 12 acres have been ploughed. What part of the field is yet to be ploughed? Right? So from 60, how much ploughed? 12 is ploughed. So 60 minus 12 will be 48. 48 is ploughed. So out of how much? That is a total 60. So 48 by 60 will be how much? If you cancel it out, 12 we cancel. 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. So 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is yet to be ploughed. Yes, option A. Okay, na? Now 186. The speed of a car is 80 km. After 2 hours, it covers 1/4 of the distance to be covered. After 2 hours, it covered 1/4 of the distance. What is the total distance? Right? Yes. So after 2 hours, it covered 1/4. Right? 80 km into 2 hours. It will be how much distance? That is distance we find speed into time. Speed is how much? That is 80. Time is 2 hours. 80 into 2 is how much? 160 km it covered. This is 1/4. 1/4 is 160. Total will be, we have to multiply with how much? 1/4 is 160. Means total will be, we have to multiply with 160 into 4. What will be the answer? That is 4. If you take that side, it will multiply. Okay, 160. 16 4s is 64. So 640 km. How much? 640 km. Okay, na? So if you take that 4 that side, it will multiply. So 640 is the answer. Yes. So now here, this is very easy. 36 point how much? 2. That is 3 plus 30 plus 6, 36. 2 by 10 means 0.2. 36.2 answer is B. Okay, na? Next, smallest natural number is 1. Yes? Very easy. Now, sum of the smallest and greatest number formed by digit. You do homework. Very easy, right? Next. Now 190 now. So 190, if you see, what is the answer? 1 by 9 here. So 1 by 9 plus 9 9s are how much here? 81 plus 1 by 81 plus 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are how much? 729, that is 9 cube, 729. So LCM will be how much? 729. Here you don't have to multiply also, sorry, you don't have to multiply also, okay. What you do is, because all of them have 9 here, right? So you have to multiply here. Here there are 3 9s, here 2 9s, here only 1 9. So 3 9s will be the LCM. Here 2 9s are there. So for this we have to multiply how much? 1 more 9. And there are only 1 9 here. So how many 9s we have to multiply? We have to multiply to 2 9s. Okay now? So 9 9s are 81 will come first at first. Here 9 1s are 9 will come in the second. And here we don't have to multiply anything. So 1 only. So that is 81 plus 9 is 90. So if you multiply 3 times, 729. 91. Because 81 plus 9, 90, 90 plus 1, 91. So 91 by 729. 91 by 729 is option. There is no option.
Not this.
Sir,
Sir,
you
I
can.
didn't understand.
Ha.
Sir, answer is 8 by.
See here, students, we will to finish it off, right? So now 190, right? So this is 9 is 2 times separate. Here this is separate, this is separate, this is separate. So 9 into 9, 2 times is there, right? So 9 into 9 will be the LCM. Okay now. So here this is separate, right? So only 1 time is there here. So we have to multiply with 1 time here for this, right? Only 1 time is there, 1 more time we have to multiply. Here 2 times is already there, don't multiply. Here 2 times is there, don't multiply. Here 1 time is there, we have to multiply 9 here. So what is happening here? 9 ones are 9 here. So 9. After that plus is there. 1 ones are how much? 1 only. So 1. Next plus is there. 1 ones are 1. Plus is there. 9 ones are 9. Yes. So it will be 9 9s are 81 in the denominator. 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. So 10 plus 10. 20 by 81 will be the answer. Understood now? Yes, that is the correct one. Okay, that is the answer is 20 by 81. Okay, don't be confused. Now, so next very easy. Sum of all prime numbers between 10 to 25. You do homework. Okay, 10 to 25. Already we did till 25 total, right? 10 to 25. After 10 is 11. Okay. So relation between given below. 1 year is how many years? 1 hour is 1 by 36. No possible. Not possible. B. 1 year is 1 by 36 of an hour. Not possible. 1 second is 1 by 60 of a minute. Yes. 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? 1 by 60. That is the answer. Okay now? Next. Here an isosceles triangle has 2 sides with length x. Third side is half of x. What is perimeter? So equal to x, half. So 2 sides are x and x. X and x. One more is half x. So that is 2x and half. So 2x and half means 2 and half x will be the answer. Right? 2x are there here and one more x here. Here 2x are there, here 1x. So 2 and half x. Okay na? That is 2 and half. This is half. Okay na?
Sir, I need to understand 90 question. 191 question.
Yes, 2 and half. Okay na? So 2 and half means option B.
Sir, I didn't understand. Sir, can you show 191 question?
Okay, fine. 193 question, right? So they are telling isosceles triangle means has 2 sides with length s. Isosceles means 2 sides will be same. This one is same, this one is same. Okay na? So x and x it is. And third side is half. 1 by 2. Half means 1 by 2. So there are how many x's are there? 1x, 2x. Then it is half x. That is after 2 and half x. Right? So perimeter we find by adding sides. Perimeter is we have to add sides. Right? So here x and x, then half x. That is 2x, this half. 2x and half means 2 and half.
X.
2 and half. Okay na? Good. Next here, that is a car travels 10 km in 1 liter. How much distance will it cover in 3 liter? Very easy. 30, right? Yes? Answer C. Okay na?
Yes.
Very easy. 165 now. Okay, 195 now.
95, sir.
Jatin reads 200 pages in 10 hours. How many hours will it take to read 320 pages? Very easy, direct cross multiply, you will find the answer. Okay, na? Yes, that is 200 pages, that is 10 hours. 320 pages, how many hours? Cross multiply. Okay, na? Yes, this and this, you will get around, nearly around how much? Yes, can you tell the answer? That is
16.
Yes, 16 hours. Okay, cross multiply it. So next is 196. So 10 kg of sugar cost 250, cost of 15 kg, you do it, homework, easy. Supplementary of 55, supplementary means 180 will be the answer. So 180 minus 55 you do, you get the answer, homework. Okay, sum of the two angles of a triangle is 180, find the third angle. Sum of the angles of triangle is, we know, 180 degree. So if you minus 130 from 180, you will get 50 degree. Okay, na? Yes, that is the answer. Okay, yes, very easy. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180, so we have to minus 150 from that. Okay,
The 196 option A.
196, option A. Okay,
Yes, sir, option A.
okay, fine. So 199 now. So 8 plus 8, 2 4s is 8. So 8 plus 4 plus 2, 8 plus 4 plus 2 is how much? 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is option B. Okay, now what is the greatest common divisor? Greatest common divisor means we have to find HCF. HCF, greatest means H, common,
HCF, sir.
great divisor means factor. Okay, so divisor, factor both are same. HCF will be how much? That
The
is
197 is option A.
nearly around 6 will come. 9 will also come. Not 9, 6 will come. HCF will be 6. Find it answer. That is the answer for 200. Okay, now this is how you have to do. Okay, so little bit more time you do it. Okay, practice it. Okay, students.